How to automatically clear cookies after you close browser on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you automatically clear cookies after you close the browser on your Google Chrome. To ensure that your Google Chrome browser automatically clears cookies when you close it, follow this comprehensive step-by-step guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the ability to set up automatic cookie experience. You'll have the ability to set up automatic cookie clearance for your Chrome browser. So begin by launching the Chrome browser on your Windows, and once it's open, navigate to the three dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This action will take you to the designated area. Now on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. This will redirect you to another section. Within this section, click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Activate this feature, and from now on, whenever you close your browser or any window, your cookies will be automatically cleared. So this is basically on how to automatically clear cookies after you close your browser on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.